Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have an administrator account and that UEFI/BIOS allows USB boot. Once done, create a Windows PE USB using Media Creation Tool or the ADK and note its drive letter. Then, boot into your running Windows or attach the system disk and open an elevated command prompt. Run reagent/info to check whether WinRe is enabled, where it's located, and whether the image is corrupt. This informs the next corrective actions. You will now rebuild or replace the WinRe image. First, mount the Windows ISO and locate Install, Wim or Install. ESD, then use DISM to mount the index that matches your OS. Once mounted, extract Winner. Wim from the sources or from the image and place it on the system partition in a dedicated recovery folder. Use DISM to service the Wim if drivers or packages are needed. Make sure the file permissions allow system access before registering it with reagent. You finish by registering and enabling the repaired WinRe. Use reagent/setramage/pathc /recovery/Windows re and then reagent/enable. Verify with reagent/info. Next, reboot and use Shift plus Restart or the firmware boot menu to enter Advanced Startup and confirm recovery tools load. If WinRe still fails, inspect the BCD entries and ensure the recovery partition is active and formatted NTFS. If problems persist, replace Winner. Wim with a known good copy and rerun reagent. That usually resolves mismatched images or corrupt containers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.